WSAV and community partner the Georgia Ports Authority present Weatherwise Kids.
In this week's Weatherwise Kids segment, ninth grader Tyler Clement from Whale Branch Early College High School wants to know why the moon changes colors. Well, Tyler, the moon never actually changes colors. It may appear to be different colors due to the scattering of light by the Earth's atmosphere. When the moon is near the horizon, the moonlight passes through more atmosphere than when the moon is directly overhead. By the time the moonlight reaches your eyes, the blue, green, and purple sections of light have been scattered, leaving you with the colors yellow, orange, and red to see and enjoy. Other reasons why the moon may appear to be different colors is because of changes in the atmosphere, the tilt of the Earth, and the amount of pollution in the sky. In fact, the size and amount of dust particles floating in the air can cause the moon to have an orange color at any time of the year and whenever it's positioned. From the Weather Center, I'm meteorologist Matt Devitt.
Now, WSAV and community partner the Georgia Ports Authority present Weatherwise Kids.
I would like to know more about the weather. I have a question. When it rains, why does it smell? Thank you.
Well, Ariana, if you have ever stepped outside after a storm, you have probably noticed a distinctive smell. Well, that smell is called petrichor. It's a smell that many of us associate with spring, kind of like how we associate fresh-cut grass with summer. But what is the smell? I mean, water itself doesn't smell, so why does rain? Well, get this. What you smell is actually bacteria. Yes, it's a type of bacteria that grows in the soil when conditions are damp. See, when decomposed organic material is blown up in the air, it lands on dirt and rocks. It's then joined by minerals. It's a mixture that is cooked in a magic melody of molecules. Raindrops kick it into the air, you breathe it in, and you smell it. And it's strongest after a dry spell.
Now, WSAV and community partner the Georgia Ports Authority present Weatherwise Kids.
I am Autumn Wheat. I am a fourth grade at Julie P. Bryant Elementary School, Statesboro, Georgia. My weather question is today, what makes the sky blue?
That's a great question, Autumn. In our sky, which we call the atmosphere, there's dust and solid particles and billions of little air molecules floating around. These molecules make up the air we breathe.
As sunlight moves through our air, it looks to be white or yellow, but actually it's made up of all the colors of the rainbow. And all these colors can scatter in our atmosphere, but the blue light is scattered the strongest. And your eyes are most sensitive to this blue light, and that reflected energy causes the sky to appear blue when you look at it. Here's an experiment to simulate the scattering effect of the Earth's atmosphere. We have a 3/4 full glass of water and add a teaspoon of milk and stir. Then we shine a flashlight into it. Observe the light from the sides of the jar and you'll see that the water appears to be pale blue. The light is bouncing off the particles of milk mixed into the water. Just like with the sun's light, the blue light is most likely to be reflected off the particles, and so the water appears to glow with blue light.